For 3 years, I suffered through my husband's relentless snoring. Earplugs and melatonin didn't help. When I suggested sleeping in separate rooms, he refused, insisting that married couples sleep together. A sleep study revealed he had severe sleep apnea, but he refused to use the CPAP machine, even after I warned him of the health risks. When I threatened divorce, he drained our joint bank account, trapping me in the marriage. One night, after he finally used the CPAP, I filled the reservoir with bleach and ammonia. The next morning, I'd claim he stopped breathing in his sleep. That night, I finally slept peacefully.